Hey everyone, welcome back to Industrial Tech. Today we are diving into our new real-time closed-loop digital twins project, a labeling machine simulation. Here's a quick look at the design. Let's jump right in. What makes this project unique is that we are not just creating a visual simulation. We are building a real-time closed-loop digital twin. That means the physical behaviors we simulate in Isaac Sim actually send data back to the PLC. Thanks to our OOIDT approach. Let's walk through a couple of scenarios. First, the labeling working perfectly. Then, if it goes too low on the cardboard box, it may crush it. And if the box is sturdier, it may push it away. Now, working with Isaac Sim physics can be a bit tricky. Sometimes, collision and rigid body interactions need a lot of tweaking, and we have had to fix errors and refine the setup. It's all part of the process, and we are continuously improving how the physics behave. Now let's take a look at the real PLC setup. Here is where we are controlling everything live. This shows you that this is not just a visual demo, it is a true real-time system. To wrap up, we are seeing how we are pushing the boundaries of digital twin by incorporating real physical feedback. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more from NG Sphere Tech.